Good morning, guys. I am on my way. I don't even get to see the lighting. It's horrible in here. It's early in the morning and I am on my way to the little gym workout room over here at my apartments because like I said, I am on a fitness journey and I need to get this thing right. So I'm on my way to work out. As you can see, I just moved, so I haven't gotten everything together quite yet. But I hope I can get that done today. But I am on my way to work out with my best friend at the little bitty workout room over here. So it's what, Friday the 28th, April the 28th, and it's 5:15 in the morning. So we're gonna work out for a good hour. It's the first time I worked out in a long time. So you guys gonna come with me, hang out this morning. Probably not the best option or to eat right now, but I'm really hungry and I don't want to pass out. I hope she come on because I don't have my code. I have to go all the way back upstairs and get my code if she's not here. It's a really nice morning though. It feels good out here. Who? What's the 20? Do we need 5 more? Of what? Lunges. Oh God, ready? What kind? Lunges?
I told you I almost tried to kill a cat.
You heard what she said? Okay. Well, I can edit it. Okay, I know the lighting's horrible right now. I can lighten it up.
But this just goes to show how serious.
Yeah, we serious. It's early up in this piece.
I almost tripped on the stairs,
It's early in the morning. So we got about a good 45. We did a good job. I mean, we got our sweater on and everything.
Actually fit probably like more 48, 50 minutes.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, and we did a good warm down too. I think so.
Cause I'm so.
Yeah.
Shoot, day one.
So,
how are you so on day one?
I'm not sore yet, so it's probably gonna take a couple days. But you know, later on we're gonna take the kiddos to the pool. But see, the down part about that is we supposed to be going to the Candy Shack daiquiri place. And we're gonna come back and bring the kids to the pool and drink our daiquiris. Yeah. But we're gonna do some water aerobics too.
I am gonna get in the water and push around because it may help my legs for the soreness.
Yeah, I don't know, me and this water thing, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'll holler back at you guys later. Are you coming in?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, well, went to the gym today, came home, got dressed. Thank God for good friends. She came and she helped me and my mom get the kids together. So we are about to leave and I'm about to go to work, drop all the kids off. Everybody's down here eating breakfast and she's gonna drop my other nephew off to his school because I just moved. His new bus hasn't started picking him up yet. So off for another day. Okay. I just got everybody off to school and I'm going to my first campus. But first I gotta get some coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. I did pretty good today. I had an orange and I had a banana for breakfast. Along with some boiled eggs, a couple of boiled eggs. I'm holding this thing and driving. I don't think that's the safest thing to do. So I'll get back to you guys.
Put that one down.
Oh, it's hot. We at the pool today with the kids. So we got all the kids down here.
I'm sorry.
Micah! Say hey, Kylan. What happened? Micah, you gonna get your ponytails wet? Oh.
I don't trust you with
Where's Zion? Oh, he playing football.
I don't want to. They recruited
me out here.
First round.
I'm putting on hanging out. I'm looking at me. She don't want to be on the video because she says she's looking a mess. So I have to get back over here with my nephew Zaire. Because he's alone. Stop running. Stop running. Oh, mama. Say my name. Say hi to. Say hi to. Say hi to the weed. Ah, not my camera. They throwing water, man. They splashing water, man. Almost got my camera. We've been out here for at least about 2 hours now, but I think I'm gonna go back in the house because I got somewhere to swing. I got somewhere to go by. Lord have mercy. I'm sleepy. I have somewhere to go today, and I'm already late, and I need to go in the house and take a quick shower and change. I just gotta meet up with somebody for like 30 minutes to discuss some stuff. What's going on? Is she beating you down with the noodle? Oh! That ain't cool. Huh? You feel the water, Zaza? Huh? Yeah! Yeah! You excited? Yeah.
You wasn't excited this morning.
Oh, Mom. Oh, thank you. My mom came down here to hang out with us, but we're about to go back in. She's gonna be mad.
Dad would have hated it.
My arthritis.
Huh?
I said my arthritis.
Oh. That I'm gonna conclude this vlog like right now because I'm gonna go in the house and rest. The appointment that I thought I had today has been canceled. So peace and have a great weekend. Well, should I?